So today is Thursday's Read Aloud. I told you earlier on in the week that you were going to have to read a different book and then figure out the beginning, middle, and end of a plant's life cycle. So this is that book. It's called Exploring Seeds. I'll read it and then you will have to discuss with someone what you think the beginning and the middle and the end is. Okay, so this is Exploring Seeds by Kristen Sternlang. Here we go. I see seeds. Uh-oh, I'm blocking the word. Seeds are parts of plants. Here you have a diagram, parts of a plant. The seed, the seedling, the roots, the stem, the leaves, the flower buds, and then the soil. Hint, this is going to be helpful for you in discussing the plant life cycle if you look at the arrows. Okay. Each seed can become a new plant. Seeds need water and soil to grow. Seeds crack open in the ground. They send roots down into the soil. Stems from the seeds go up into the sunlight. Soon, leaves and flowers grow. Ooh, those are pretty. Foods we eat form around the flowers and the leaves. So like, for example, an apple tree or a peach tree. I think peaches grow on trees. People plant seeds on farms and in gardens. Like I told you, we had a vegetable garden. Or, for example, probably you guys have like flowers in your front yard or something. That's a garden. Seeds are also blown by wind and moved by water. Seeds grow in pine cones. Plums have large seeds inside called pits. Do you guys like plums? I like them. They're yummy. People can eat seeds. Sunflower seeds are good snacks. You can eat the yellow seeds of a corn plant. Seeds are on your plate, in the ground, and all around you. Do you see seeds? How seeds move. Seeds move in many ways. The seeds of coconuts float on water. I didn't know that. The seeds of maple trees have wings. Yeah, if you find those, you can play with them. They like twirl around. So those are always fun to find. So you can throw them up in the air and they'll come down like that, like a helicopter. Wind spreads these seeds. Burrs are seed holders. They stick to animal fur. When the animal travels, so do the burrs. Chestnuts can travel this way. So here they have like the chestnut stickers. I feel like there was a period in time where a lot of us were getting these stuck on us at like recess. That's what these are. Chestnuts can travel this way. Nuts and berries are eaten by animals. The seeds are left behind in animal droppings. And then we have some seed facts. Poppy seeds are used in muffins. They are small, tasty seeds. Many people roast pumpkin seeds and eat them in the fall. Strawberries have seeds on the outside of the fruit. Oh, like the little black dots, those are the seeds. The outer layer of a seed is called a seed coat. Seed coats can be thin or thick. Some seeds are not safe to eat. The seeds of a lily of the valley plant can change how fast your heart beats. Some seeds stay in the ground for a long time. They need the right amount of water, warmth, and sunlight to sprout. Scientists found a seed that sprouted after 2,000 years. That's crazy. And then here's your glossary. And so what you're going to do now is you're going to talk to someone about the beginning, the middle, and the end of a seed, and or like of a plant life cycle, and I would look at this picture to help you. You can also reread the book and look at diagrams from that book to help you figure out the beginning of a plant life cycle, the middle, and the end. And then tomorrow, you're going to reread this and you're going to draw a picture of the life cycle. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.